Hello?
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 Yeah?
Kathy? Kathy, are you there?
What?
What'd I do?
Oh, that's your mom.
Are you mad? You're a bitch.
So are you.
I'm talking to you about the only person in this world you control, and that's you.
You're pregnant.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Get over it.
Oh, I have to get over it? You're the one that's pregnant.
This is a big deal.
No, it's not. You're the one that's pregnant.
Maybe.
No, not maybe. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
No.
No. How do you define success?
I don't know.
Are you mad at your mom?
What?
Are you mad at your mom?
What are you talking about? You're on...
Are you like a stalker or something?
Am I a stalker? You're the one calling me.
Are you willing to stop feeling the way you feel and try to work your way out of this?
You're not Dr. Phil.
What I'm telling you here is, and I want you to start having a gay relationship.
Don't talk to me about gay relationships.
How about when this is over, we go do a little coke?
You're on coke.
You can just write me off, and you can get mad at me. I'm expendable. That's okay. You don't need me.
I know I don't need you.
You're going to smoke dope and have a good time.
That sounds good to me.
Do you agree that you smoke?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah?
Do you smoke?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes?
No.
Are you mad at your mom?
Why do you keep asking that? You're making me kind of mad.
You gotta grow up.
You gotta grow up.
No.
Yes.
No.
I will kill you.
You're a bitch.
Okay? I'm still killing you.
And I really do want you to consider one more thing. And that is, I want you to really, really, really search your heart and try to forgive yourself for everything that has transpired thus far.
What? I don't think that.
Are you mad at your mom?
Are you mad at your mom?
No.
Why?
Does it seem superficial to you that you're so focused on how you look?
I don't care about how I look.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Give me a short answer.
I'm not giving you short answers. You're being stupid.
Tell me how you feel about that.
I feel that you're being stupid.
And tell me why.